A personal learning environment, or PLE, is a network of cloud tools, services, and communities that form an educational platform for self-directed learning. An example of a PLE would be a university multi-user blogging platform that allows students and faculty to conduct research, share work, and collaborate on projects to meet individual educational goals. PLEs are used in university and corporate settings and outside these environments for personal and professional development. Essentially, PLEs let users create individual learning pathways to pursue educational objectives based on personal needs and interests. The primary functions of a PLE include content aggregation and curation, content creation, collaboration and social networking, and workflow management. Common PLE technologies include blogs, wikis, RSS aggregators, microblogs and social networks, cloud office suites, file sharing platforms, and personal dashboards, among other Web 2.0 tools. While the infrastructure and mix of tools can really vary from PLE to PLE, the environment can facilitate learning and development when designed strategically around specific objectives. So why do PLEs matter? PLEs are significant in that they are entirely learner-centric. They reverse the traditional teacher-student, mentor-protege paradigm, wherein teachers are producers of knowledge and students are consumers of knowledge. In a PLE, the student, or user, creates and disseminates knowledge. Unlike traditional learning management systems, which are course-centric and push content based on stakeholder objectives, PLEs put the student in the driver's seat. The student, or user, determines the desired learning outcomes and the strategy for achieving those outcomes. One advantage of a PLE is that the content is highly relevant to the user's needs, interests, and competency gaps. This can benefit an employee and enterprise alike. For example, if an employee aligns his or her PLE with organizational goals, that individual's personal learning path could very well lead to improved performance outcomes for both the employee and the organization. PLEs also facilitate lifelong learning and informal learning, two critical components of professional development these days. In an age of rapid technological advancements and increasing global competitiveness, today's workers continually need to evolve and advance their knowledge, skills, and abilities to remain competitive. In addition, most on-the-job learning happens informally, for example through observation, client feedback, trial and error, and requests for help, as opposed to from formal training and development programs. Approximately 20% of workplace learning occurs through non-traditional means. This is where PLEs come in. PLEs adapt to the changing needs and goals of its users. The beauty of a PLE is that it is a flexible platform that evolves as a learner's professional and educational goals evolve. In addition, the social networking aspect of PLEs lets people connect, collaborate, and shape each other's understanding of a given subject. So, if a user is off target in terms of understanding a subject, the learning community is there to respond and correct this misunderstanding. So what are the benefits of PLEs? As mentioned previously, one of the benefits of a PLE is that they put learners in control of their own learning. They encourage users to self-regulate, reflect on, and take ownership of what and how they learn. In addition, PLEs enable people to assemble, synthesize, and demonstrate knowledge, skills, and abilities gained in varying distributed contexts and subject matters. They also promote social learning. While an individual's learning pathway may be unique, similar lines of thought, inquiries, and solutions across a networked community may exist, and thereby facilitate co-learning experiences. A PLE can also be used in concert with formal training and education, for example, in combination with training delivered via a learning management system, or at a workshop, or in a classroom. PLEs are built by learners for learners, and in essence, they have the potential to deepen an educational experience and broaden professional development opportunities.
created using Powtoon.